Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to paint a shopfront with ink and watercolor. These are the materials I will be using today. 24 color watercolor paints and a 5-size 300 grams wood pulp paper. Also, there are 48 color soft tip watercolor markers. Waterproof black ink for sketching. These are my commonly used brushes. These brushes come in different sizes, some with a flat head. I usually use these 3 small brushes for outlining. Before coloring, I will dampen the paper first. Then, I will apply the base colors as quickly as possible. Because I started outlining while the paper was still wet, the black ink has slightly smudged. It's best to wait until the paper is completely dry before starting to outline. If you find it difficult to draw the outline directly with ink, you can start with a pencil sketch. After I finished outlining, the surface of the paper was completely dry, so I need to dampen the area that will be colored again before applying the colors. Actually, I didn't follow the reference image exactly. I made changes to every part of the drawing, and the colors were painted in a more generalized way. For the first layer of bricks, I'll mix more color at once, so that when I paint the second layer, I only need to add burnt sienna or ochre. Sometimes I also add some dark red. Areas close to the light source should have a touch of orange-yellow added. When painting plants, I usually prepare for shades of green with varying darkness. And following the direction of the shadows, I roughly sketch the orientation of the leaves. Some areas in the picture are not clear, so I need to use my imagination to complete them. The floral parts have also been simplified by me. I'm accustomed to painting the flowers first, then the leaves. When painting this wooden sign, I intentionally leave brushstrokes visible. Bricks in the shadows should also be painted, to add a sense of depth and layering. When painting flowers, I typically use 3 to 4 colors. For each layer of color, if you are not proficient in mixing colors, you can mix them in advance. Otherwise, you can adjust the colors while painting. How do you color your paintings? Feel free to leave a message and let me know. The soft-tip children's watercolor pens have very bright colors, which are especially suitable for painting flowers.
As they goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you